Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we will learn how we can change the color of text, then how we change the color of the lines, then how we can fill the color in any box with the help of the hatch command. And we will use match properties to change the color. It's very efficient. So to change the color, let's say this color I want to change uh, yellow. You have to type ch, select this one, click here and change to yellow. This is the one way you can change the color. And another one, I will go AutoCAD 2D, and let's say you done in one and you want to change in another. So click here match properties, select the color, now apply anywhere. So that color will change. Let's say I want to change color back, some other color, ch, change properties, and you want to change color blue, cancel this one, use this match properties, you can change color to blue. Same way you change the color of the line. Okay, type again ch, select the line, go to here, change color, or you can select all, then type ch and change color to all color change this one. Now similarly if you want to change another vessel, again use match properties, select this one and select this one. It's very convenient. Again match property, select this one and this one. So this is the first you have to change one color, and then with the help of the match properties you can change all the color. Now let's say you want to fill a color here in this vessel, so use h command, h, select this one, then enter. You can change color same way, ch, color blue. Let's say you want to fill some another pattern here, again h. Here we select solid. You have to select solid for whole color. Let's say you want to select this one. Now you have to click he, h edit, and here you have to give a scale 500. We'll change in 500 is too much. He given 100. So now you want to change the color. Ch, go here, give color magenta. Same way, H, and now you want to select this one. Select here, and then again click on HE and change scale as per your drawing scale. And I will move this one 50, let's say 30. Yeah, you want to change the color in CH, or you can give her a hair also. But if you want to fill solid, change here solid, this one. So we learn here how to change the color text. Once again, uh, select the text, type ch, and select any color. Then with the help of the match property, this is match property, use any color. You can change. Same way if you want to change the line color, again ch, I'm repeating this one, cn, and then again match properties, change and select all. Like this you can change the color. If you want to change the color from the beginning, write empty multi-text. I will write here. And now this text editor window open here. I give any name, new vessel, and here you select initial stage, the color. Let's say I want to color this one. You can change the text height from there. Let's say I give 25. You can change the text here. This is the Arial. You can select any text as per your requirement, and you can bold also here, same as Excel or PowerPoint. Bold, italize here, and close. And again, ED, height is too small. I will give 100. Or you can change the scale. Type SC, select this one, and zoom or drag up. In this way, you can change the color in the beginning also. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment related to color change in AutoCAD, please do comment below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.